screen recording. Basically, this is our prototype for Toridion's statistics for Bitcoin prediction. And as you can see at the moment, we're running at a 24-hour accuracy of 65.22%. The time now is 18:28. There, 32 on the 10th or 9th of October, and here's the hourly roundup. So the system backtests itself constantly to give you up-to-date signal sort of performance report. So you can see here, starting from this morning, I think it was there, we reset the statistics on the 24 hours, so it has to climb back up the tree. And as you can see, here is the predicted direction with the P, and then with the direction underneath is whether it was right or wrong. This is whether it's a confident prediction or not. So if the confidence in the prediction is above 60%, it'll come up as a green, whereas if it's below 60%, it comes up in white. And this is the result of the prediction, which is backtested immediately after the prediction hour window closes. So the symbol when it was from and when it was to in UTC, and you can see the results here. So when it was wrong, it tells you that it's wrong, and so on and so on and so on. So you can see it's here, and then we've got this little line here is a quick snapshot line, tells you these icons here that they tell you quite simply in the last 24 hours when it was right, when it was wrong. And when there's a white dot, that means that it was a strong prediction or a confident prediction. So, and then we can filter there and just link that and wait for a second for it to load up. Apologies, because it's still a prototype, but here we go. So basically the prediction here is that when you've got these when you have a confident prediction, the likelihood is that it's often right, and so we have a win-loss ratio there. The streaks is simply the streak odds is where we've got more than 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see there we've got 5 predictions in a line that were correct, 5 predictions, or 4 here in a predictions that were correct. So the streak is 5 at the moment in 24 hours, which means that's its top streak, 5 predictions in a row. And then here is the odds that would occur and the win-loss ratio over the period. This is the prediction cell. These are the past historic cells. The prediction cell simply tells you when the prediction's running from, so it's 5 UTC or 6 o'clock in BST at the moment in the UK, till 5:59. The confidence of the prediction and which way the prediction will go. Currently, this runs on what they call them. This is running on moving averages. We've got 2 other models to install into the predictive model, which will fit into this dashboard, which is basically the moving average. You'll know what it is. So it's you know, if you add up the value across the whole range of an hour, then did that hour was it generally up or down? That's the moving average line. So what we're looking at here is predicting the moving average in the hour to come. So it's simply the belief that in this hour between 1800 and 1900, the system at the moment is predicting that Bitcoin will go up. So now then, so if I just pull that, let's just have a quick look here. So between 18 there, between here and in the next half an hour, it's predicting that in general the moving average is going to go up. So one of the things that we're going to be adding into it is also this sort of intermediate spike prediction and closing predictions. So where at the moment you could have a moving average where it would go up, but you would still close down. So that can sometimes throw the predictions out a little bit. But as you can see, generally from a foreign exchange or a crypto prediction point of view, the 65.2 or 1.8 to 1 win-loss ratio is really quite good. So yeah, it's pretty cool. We're really happy with it. You'll be able to pick this up if I go onto finance on here. We'll be bringing out some more news about it on our webpage here. This was our leader sort of example. So at the moment we're building out the app. We've got the signals service and the Toridion API locked in. So this is now functioning, and we're building out a web app here that will allow you to sort of interact with it in the future. When they're then going to open up a full-blown API service, which you'll be able to install the software and just use the API. So it's pretty cool. All right, well that's it. So just wanted to let you know where we were up to, and obviously, we'll watch that prediction later on. We'll be posting quite a lot of little videos like this over the next couple of weeks, a lot of statistics, and then we'll be opening up this dashboard publicly for certain testers. So if people want to come on and evaluate it, because we want to make sure that this is a very open platform. We're very honest about what the predictions are and what they're not, and try and help people use the predictions by integrating the API into the robots just as another signal service, really. So that's cool. All right, thanks.